Good morning, everyone. I'm Rashid Khan here from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gora Bazaar, Gorakhpur. Class 7. Today we'll discuss about the chapter number 50, that is light, on which we have earlier discussed of some points. So now we'll have to study over here the light. What is actually the thing light? What is light, we can say? Light is what? It is a source through which we can observe anything. Suppose there is a darkened room in which there is no light, we can't be able to see anything. Light actually is a form of energy. Light is what? Light is a forms of energy that can help us to see. Suppose what we have observed, if it is here is dark, suppose here is a totally dark, you can't be able to see to me as well. Why? Because there is a light through which we can seen by the others, or anybody can see with the help of a light too. So it is a most important word, that is light can a source. Light can be a source. It is a light is a source or a medium through which we can observe. What is this? It is the material, or it is the things, or it is the source or medium through which we can see anything or we can observe anything. एक लाइट ऐसी चीज है जिसकी वजह से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, किसी भी चीज को देख सकते हैं, और ये हमारे देखने में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होता है. इसके बिना इसके हम कोई भी चीज देख नहीं सकते हैं. सो इन दैट मैनर वी हैव टू से देयर इज अ लाइट, समथिंग दैट इज अ वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर आवर observations, for seeing anything. So here is a light which have the different properties. What are these? Will tell us about. I'll discuss more on it. Actually, light characteristics of light, we can say. Characteristics of light. So in which the most important part is light always traveling a straight line. What it is? Light always travels in a straight line. What does it mean? The simple meaning is two words. Whenever the light falls on any object, it always falls in a straight. So whenever it supposed to be run or supposed to be false, it can be false on a straight pathway, that is a straight line. What will happen? Suppose what will happen if there is a light falls on any object and there is a material through which light cannot pass. Suppose light is coming from the source and here is a wooden plug. Here is a wooden plug. So light cannot be able to penetrate and moves on. It never happens. It could not be happens. What happened then? It's depend on the material what we have to take it and realize. It is totally depend on material what we have taken. Suppose if there is a wooden, so all the light can be absorbed. It can be absorbed. It can be absorbed in wood and cannot go further or move further. What happens if there is, in place of wooden, there is steel material? If there is steel, so the light can fall and it can be moved back. If it is false, it can be moved back. How it can be moved back? It can be moved back by, it can be moved back by a simple thing. The material that have polished surface, that can't be able to absorb all the light. Why? Because it is totally plain. So it does not ever absorb the light rays. That means it can resist or it can reflect. It can send back all the light rays falls on it into its original pathway, into its original medium. Why? Because wherever the light falls, it can be bounced on a particular surface with a very specific manner. That means it can be bounced back in the same orientation, in the same horizon from where it can be rises. So it can be reverted back into its original medium. This is the topic on which we have discussed later, but the first thing is to what? The light always falls on the straight pathway. So whenever the light falls on any object, it can be found it is travel in a straight line. In which line it can be travel? In a straight line. These properties are this characteristic of a light that can travel in a straight line said to be a rectilinear propagation of light. What it could said to be? It could be said to be the rectilinear propagation of light. So we'll discuss over here the rectilinear propagation of light. It simply means that light can only be traveled in a straight pathway. Light can travel in a straight pathway. So it is observed, if there is something to be found which is not allowed to light pass through them, so the light can't be passed and it will remain over here or might be revert back. So that particular phenomena is termed as the rectilinear propagation of light. That means कि लाइट हमेशा क्या करता है, एक सीधे लाइन में चलता है, वो टेढ़ा ऐसे नहीं चलता है। आप देखोगे एक सीधी सी स्ट्रिप हम लोग ले लें, सीधी स्ट्रिप ले और ऑब्जर्व करें तो लाइट उसमें से दिखाई देगा, लेकिन अगर इसको हम लोग बेंड कर दें बीच से और दूसरे एंड पे देखें तो हमें दिखाई नहीं देगा, इसलिए कि लाइट तिरछा होकर के नहीं चलेगा, वो सीधी लाइन में चलता है। तो फर्दर हम लोग इस पे बात करेंगे, लेकिन सबसे पहले हम लोग बात करें इस पे कि लाइट क्या करता है, ट्रैवल करता है स्ट्रेट लाइन में। उसकी एक वजह है, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन। सपोज इफ देयर इज अ सरफेस A, B, and light is falls on this surface, so it can be a reflecting surfaces or can be surface on which light can struck. If it lies struck on it, this should be enough, always in straight line. So how it can be reward or how it can be back? It can be back by the means of a same plane. With the same angle. If the light falls, you can see in a surface of water, there is a surface of water. Your images are formed on the surface as well. Why? Because light can reflect by the surface of water. So it is an inclined plane. This is what? Inclined plane, through which light can reflect. So what is the reflection? First we have to know about the reflection is the process in which light falls on any object and can revert back to on its original medium by the same angle. Angle must not be changed. That is called the incident rays. That is the incident rays, and this one is reflected rays. Two type of rays over there. First one is the incident rays, and second one is reflected rays. And there is an angle formed. That angle is termed as angle of incident. This is what? Angle of incident. And this one is angle of reflection. What are these? Angle of incident and angle of reflection. So if there is the incident rays and reflected rays are always in the same plane, the angle of incident and angle of reflection are both are same. So in that case there is a reflections happen. On the topic of reflection we can more discuss more on it. Now till